not in years, but in thoughts, not in breaths, but in feelings, not in figures on a dial. He must live who thinks the most, feels the noblest, and acts the best. Good morning to sanguine judges, erudite teachers, and my dear friends. Today, the topic of my speech is we live in deeds, not in years. The proverb means that longevity of one's life is not measured by the number of years one lives. Rather, it is measured by the good deeds done by one throughout his life. Human life is a beautiful gift of God and comes with an expiry date. Yes, it is true that death is an ultimate eternal truth. The only difference is that some men live a long life while some die young. A short life can be made glorious through virtuous deeds. It is better than a long life which is of no use to others. A noble life backed by the virtues makes an individual immortal. Dear audience, do you agree with me or not? Actions are counted, not the years. Life is not about mere existence in this world. Age should not be the criteria of life. Instead, one should leave mark on others' lives with his good deeds. Our great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh was hanged to death at a young age. But even today he is remembered as a true patriot who sacrificed his life for the nation and became immortal in the feelings of countless Indians. Swami Vivekanand and Shankaracharya are some other famous personalities who lived a short but worthy life. All these great men are remembered for their noble deeds and great achievements in their respective fields. Their lives have been an inspiration for the masses. Living beings on this earth are all creations of God. The purpose of our life should be to do good to others and help them. If we are unable to do this, our life is worthless. A selfish person may live a long life, but after death, nobody remembers him. And if someone remembers him, it is for his selfish attitude and vices. Therefore, good deeds, moral values, and virtues should be the cornerstone of our lives. My dear friends, it is true that life and death are not in one's own hands. They are guided by the will of Almighty. But making our life valuable and worth remembering is definitely in our hands. One should set short and long-term noble goals and work in order to achieve them. Do a good deed every day and watch the joy come your way. It costs so little but means so much, healing hearts with a gentle touch. One should always remember that after death, only good deeds live. Everyone should try to do something beneficial for the society so that we may be remembered even after we have left this world forever. One can achieve immortality through good deeds, as these acts of kindness and compassion leave a lasting legacy in the hearts and minds of those they touch. By embracing each moment to do good, we ensure that our lives resonate with meaning and purpose. In conclusion, it is not the number of years we live that defines our legacy, but the good deeds we perform. By touching lives and making a positive impact, we achieve a form of immortality that time can never ever erase. Let us strive to live in deeds, for it is through them that our true essence and spirit will endure forever. Let us shine through acts of grace. Kindness brightens every place. Deeds of love will always stay, guiding others on their way. Thank you. Have a good day.